Subscribe to Jesse's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hi guys, welcome to Jesse's Recipes and this is Jizla Ismat. What I get into your kitchen today is ghee rice. You can find the written recipe link in the description box. Heat a heavy bottomed vessel, add 3 tablespoons of ghee and allow it to melt. Once melt, add ginger garlic paste, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, star anise, pandan leaves, few curry leaves and saute them till the raw smell goes away. Next, add onions and green chilies. Stirring gently until onions turn soft and transparent but not browned, about 2 to 3 minutes. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot. Fry it along with the spices just until all the moisture from the rice is left. Next, add 3 cups of water to the rice along with some salt. Reduce the flame to low, place lid and cook till the rice is done. When the water is absorbed completely, fluff up the rice. If the rice is undercooked, sprinkle some water and cook again. Once rice is cooked, pour over 1 teaspoon of ghee at the end. Fluff the rice and garnish with fried onions, cashew and raisins. Finally, this is done and ready. Do try this at home and let us know how you liked it. And also do not forget to watch what next Jesse's Recipes bring into your kitchen. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Jesse's Recipes for recipe notification. Thank you for watching.